Hello, I'm going to show you this simple little trick I found with putting these Peak Design straps through this little eye hole to get rid of that annoying sound when you're filming on the Sony A7 III. Coming right up. Welcome back. I figured I'd show you guys this neat little trick I found on how to get rid of this sound and take these off and fish them through this little eye hole. All you're gonna need, some floss, or if you don't have floss, some fishing string. First thing we have to do is take these little design straps off, and that's the easiest part. I found you can either use pliers or your hands to get this off. It's not that difficult to use your hands, but it'll probably be easier if you have some pliers. Okay, so now we have the straps off and we just have the little eye holes on each side. What I'm gonna do is use this fishing string and I'm gonna feed it through one side and then pull it together so it's like that. Then I'm gonna feed this through the camera because this is a lot easier to push through than that strap. Then once we have that, I'm gonna pull this while it's in my lap. And it'll go through the eye hole like that. And all you have to do is take that off and pull it as far as you want. And then flip the eye around. And then we're gonna go ahead and tighten that here in a second. Okay, next up for the other side, I'm gonna go ahead and try the dental floss out and see how that holds. We're gonna do the same thing. We're gonna open up the strap, feed the floss through, and then put it together like that. Using the floss may be a little bit more difficult to put it through the eye hole, but it's still easier than using the strap. Okay, so I have it through. Now I'm gonna try to pull it through. And then there we go. And that was actually easier than the fishing string using the dental floss. Okay, so I'm gonna go ahead and tighten these straps down a little bit. We're gonna push them down to the side. And if you can see, I'm shaking the camera and we don't hear that sound anymore from these little metal clips. I'm gonna go ahead and keep these clips together and put them in the bag just so I don't lose them. And that's all you needed was some fishing string or some floss, and it only took about 2 to 5 minutes to get that sound away. As always, if you enjoyed the video, leave a like or subscribe. I'll see you again soon. Take care.